Google has toyed with the idea of moving the address bar from Chrome down to the bottom of the screen. After some testing with this feature a few years back, the company decided to remove it, and instead they've been working on a different approach. From what I've read, this new implementation has been in the works for a few months now, but it's only with the latest stable update to version 135 of Chrome that I have begun to see it on my devices. And there are a couple of ways that you can set this up as well. So let me show you how this feature works. The quickest and easiest way that I've been able to move the address bar of Chrome for Android to the bottom of the screen is by performing a long press gesture on the actual address bar up here. With this latest update, you should now see an option appear asking if you want to move this to the bottom. Simply confirm that this is what you want to do, and you'll see that address bar move from the top and go all the way down to the bottom of the screen. My favorite feature about this is how it hides the address bar while you're scrolling down the website. The address bar only disappeared from the top of the screen when you were scrolling back up, but when the address bar has been moved down, it will disappear and hide as you're scrolling through the website. There's actually another way that we can move the address bar to the top or bottom, and that's possible by diving into the settings area of Chrome. So we're going to tap on that three-dot menu icon, dive into the settings, then up here within the basics section, you'll find a new feature labeled address bar. Tap into there, and you can change it to the top or to the bottom directly from here. So, if you're not a fan of the long press gesture method, or you just find yourself in the settings menu when you want to change this option, you can do that directly from here as well. I know this has been a highly requested feature from the Chrome team over at Android for a long time now. It seemed as if they were well aware of how many people wanted the address bar moved to the bottom of the app, but it was odd that they went back on the redesign that allowed us to previously change this. I do like to see this feature finally added to the latest stable version of Chrome, so if you haven't updated the app yet, then be sure to download that latest version right now. And I also appreciate that Google has made this an optional feature instead of forcing everyone to use it. Now, if you have any questions about this guide or about Android in general, then feel free to use the comment section down below. And please, do not forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel as well.